Hey y'all, Holly here. I am going to be opening up the new spring FabFitFun box today. I've got it right here. It's beautiful. So anyway, you've probably heard of FabFitFun by now because it seems to be everywhere. FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box, so you get it every 4 months. It's $49.99 a box, and it's jam-packed full of full-size items of beauty, lifestyle, fitness, all kinds of amazing stuff. And the box retails for at least $200, sometimes $300 plus. It's a great deal. It's a nice little gift. I decided to get it for myself last year for my birthday. I'm a single mom and I don't really get a lot of gifts for my birthday, so why not get one for myself that keeps giving all year long? And it's the best little treat to get every few months. There's always something to look forward to. So anyway, without further ado, let's get in and open it up. Got my scissors here. It's all sealed. I do know kind of what's in it, but know some of the things that I got to choose. They have made it now so that you can choose some of the things that you get in your box. If you are a yearly subscription member, you get to choose a lot, and then if you're just a monthly subscription member like I currently am, you only get to choose a few of the things that are in your box, but I still love it. So anyway, this is what it looks like when you open it up. I love, love, love this beautiful succulent and cactus artwork all over the box, inside and out, and outside was a pink color. And these boxes are amazing. They're great to save for gifts later on. So I love that. So in the top of it is the FabFitFun magazine. This one has Venus Williams on it. I think they did a partnership with her. And so this has information about all of the products in the box. It also has styling information. It has the price of everything and all of that, and just lots of fun little articles and stuff like that. So I'm going to open it up to the page with everything in it. Also on top is a HelloFresh coupon here, so those are nice to have for sure. Let me break the little seal here. They have it all taped down. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is the sunglasses. Now, we had a choice of getting 2 different pairs of sunglasses, a picnic set, or what is this? A vitamin C sleeping mask. And I already have a mask. I've actually got a picnic set, and I need a new pair of sunglasses. So the sunglasses are what I chose. And I believe I chose the cat eye glasses. And I've never had cat eye glasses, so I'm interested to see how these look. Now, these are Quay brand from Australia. I've never worn these before. Ooh, cute. I'm excited. All right. These are adorable. Oh, I love these. These are so cute. Adorable. They're huge, so they will block out all the sun, but these will be perfect for any beach trips that I might have coming up this summer. Now, I definitely have to plan one. And so those are worth $55. And it has a style tip. It says to style with a high ponytail to emphasize the large cat eye. And I love the little bag that it comes in. This is awesome. It says Quay, Australia on it. Alright, so the next thing I see in here is another thing I got to choose, which is my unplug diffuser for essential oils. Can't really see it too well here, but I'll pull it out in a second. Anyway, we got to choose between a beautiful muumuu. It's actually more like a summer robe, and then also a faux leather backpack. Which was really cute, but I don't need that or this. And unfortunately, the robe is beautiful, but I am a plus-size gal, and it was not going to fit me. So, diffuser it was. So anyway, we'll unbox this real quick. I have one diffuser. Actually, I have, well, 1.5. One is like a mini diffuser. But, oh, and it comes with essential oil. I forgot about that. This is, oh, I can smell it already. It's called Happy, and it has a little orange on it. And the smell of it is definitely citrusy. It reminds me, oh my gosh. That's amazing. It makes me happy. It reminds me of orange juice. It's just very fresh and invigorating. So I can't wait to diffuse that. And then the diffuser, it has a plug that just plugs into your USB. And this is the little egg-shaped diffuser here. And I believe that it changes colors once it's plugged in. But it's just a little simple diffuser. Let's see. And that's pretty much what it looks like. So it's got a drain side, it's got a maximum and minimum mark. So basically everything you need, and a little yes on button and then a light button here. So, ooh, I can't wait to start diffusing with that. Cool. That is exciting, even though I already have one. And even if you do already have something, these items make really great gifts. Mother's Day is coming up. Of course, you know, there's always birthdays and stuff. Alright, so, and the diffuser is worth $55. And it says that you can blend the Happy oil that comes with it with other essential oils. And then they have, it says to check out page 24 for different diffuser blends. So that way you can get a really good use out of your diffuser. Alright, here's one of the other products that I chose. These are Giazdi, but these are from Giada De Laurentiis, isn't that what her name is? Yeah. From the Food Network, and they are copper-plated measuring spoons. I need my scissors for this. Where'd I put them? I'm always a mess still. Anyway, I won't pull them out, but I can't wait to get use out of these. They remind me of my mom when I was a little girl, and actually she still has it. She has a copper-plated colander that she uses all the time in her kitchen, and that's what it reminded me of. For those, we had the choice of getting those or, ooh, an aromatic body lotion or a mystery item. And I have a ton of lotion already, and I wasn't wild about a mystery item, and I like to cook, so you can never have enough nice measuring spoons. So those retail for $15. And then it looks like they have a couple of Giada's favorite spring recipes later on in the magazine. So that's kind of fun. Alright, so next, this is, I think this is one of the items that everybody got. This is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage, Needles No More, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Visibly reduce the look of under eye bags and dark circles with this breakthrough solution. And guys, this is worth $42, this little tube here. That's crazy. It says, don't be afraid of the salmon shade. It's meant to color correct dark circles, which I definitely have. And it says just use your ring-sized finger for a pea-sized amount directly under the eyes. So that's exciting. I can't wait to try this out tomorrow. Let's see. Oh, there it is. See if you can see that. Yep, it's got a little peach tint to it. See if I can kind of get it back in. Nope, that's okay. We will spread it on my little veins here. Yeah, it might work a little bit. I don't know, we'll see. I'll see if I can try and post a picture on my Instagram soon and show y'all what I think about it. Alright, so the next thing, this is one that I'm really excited about. This is the Way, what is this? Leave-in conditioner. And I'm really excited about this because it is curly girl friendly. I'm a curly girl. I've been following the curly girl method for a few months now. And so I have to be very careful about the hair products that I use and what I put in my hair. And so when I heard that we were going to be getting this, I checked the ingredients, and they are curly girl friendly. So I'm very excited about that. It says that it works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties and enhance heat protection. That's worth $26. And then it says to mist lightly throughout damp hair prior to brushing, which I don't brush my hair, so don't have to worry about that, but maybe before putting in the rest of my products. So I am really excited about that. Oh, let's see what that smells like. I love stuff that makes my hair smell good, right? One of my coworkers, I just switched to a new shampoo, and every time I wash that morning before work, because sometimes I wash the night before, and I only wash it every few days. He's like, oh, you're wearing that awesome shampoo again, aren't you? Oh, that smells more like a perfume than hair stuff. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of a doll that I had. I think it was a Barbie doll. Like a Rose Barbie or something. It reminds me of a doll I had. Something in my childhood. That's crazy. Well, I'm excited to try this. That's what I'm really excited about. So another thing I was hoping I was going to get, and I did. This was one I didn't know about. This was one of the items that the yearly membership people could have chosen. They could have gotten a necklace, or I could have gotten a necklace, or a translucent setting powder, or the Sit by Swell. So, and I love this color. I love plum. So I'm really, really excited about this. I see these all the time in Target, and I always just walk by because they're, I think $20, what did I say? $20, $19.99. And I'm like, oh, I don't need to buy another water bottle because I have enough. But I love the style. I love the, you know, they're cylindrical, but they're also kind of a triangle shape. So I'm so excited. And I'm excited that I got a color that I really like too. So that is fun. All right, so we just have a few more items here. This one I was pretty excited about. This is the Tula Probiotic Skincare, and this is a purifying face cleanser. So this one is worth $28, and there's a lot in here. This is 6.7 fluid ounces. So I really, really like that. And it says that it's not an ordinary cleanser. It uses the power of probiotics to gently remove dirt, impurities, and makeup while leaving the skin balanced and clarified. And it says to massage the cleanser, of course, onto wet skin in small circular motions, then rinse, which we kind of knew. That was another one that could have been chosen by the members with the yearly subscription. They could have also gotten a detox brush or a Venus jump rope. And I guess that's why she's on the front of the magazine. And that one, I said, is $28. So there's just one more item in here. And this one I'm really excited about as well. This is one that everybody got. And it is a champagne charcoal scrub. And it says detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin with this gentle body scrub. Buff away dead skin cells and absorb excess oils to reveal balanced and moisturized skin. And this one is worth $24. So that's a good amount. And it's in this beautiful jar with this rose gold lid, which could totally be repurposed for something else later on. Maybe like cotton puffs or something like that. I just want to smell it because I've heard that it's amazing. But of course it's not easy to get into. Come on. And I don't know what I did with my scissors. Oh, shoot. Okay. Oh. Okay, so I've got it all over my thumb here. It smells really good. It reminds me of like blueberries or pomegranate or something like that. And it's definitely very scrubby-like, and I can tell it's got nice, good like oils and stuff in it. Very moisturizing. So got a little bit of it on me. Oh well. It's always fun. Use some of this paper in here to rub it off my fingers. That's exciting. So I can't wait to shower tomorrow because I have all kinds of amazing stuff to use in my shower. Yay. So that's what I got in every box. My total value, I guess I could add it up. But the total value for this box with all of the different combinations was either $226.99 or up to $314. So it's just dependent on what you chose. Like the diffuser that I chose was a lot cheaper than the Moo or the backpack. So of course my box isn't as valuable, I guess you could say, as people who got those. But those aren't things that I wanted or would use. So it's more valuable to me. So anyway, I also got a couple things. You can do add-ons, things that you can get really, really cheap. So I'll show you those. And that's where my scissors are. So I just got two little things. I got these cute little lunchbox cards to put in my son's lunch boxes. I just want to open them up real quick. I don't always make his lunch. He does bring it a lot, but I want to try and get better about sending a good lunch with him. And of course, I know he would love to have some cute little notes in here. Oh, it's got tape on the other side too. Eep. There we go. Alright, so let's take a look at these. So this one on top says enjoy, and I guess you can, the back is blank, so you can write whatever you want. This one says always try your best, and you're so grape. That would be perfect if you know, you send them with some grapes. Sunberry loves you. This one says you're a winner. These are adorable. Adorable. So these are perfect. I love these. I'm excited I got these. I don't remember how much I paid for them. I want to say it was like $4 or something like that. And then the other thing I got, which was in a past box, and later on I saw somebody talking about them, and I was like, oh, I wish I had chosen that. I wish I had gotten it. And then it popped up in the add-ons, and so I was like, oh, I'm going to snag those. But these are from Pier 1, and these are just a set of cute little prep bowls. So there's 3 of them in here. They're all kind of pretty pastel colors. And like I said, I like to cook sometimes, and it's nice to, you know, have bowls you can set aside your chopped, you know, spices in and stuff like that. Or these would make really great serving dishes for like dips, stuff like that. This one's green. So here they all are together, and they're the perfect little size. Or this is the perfect size for a nice little serving of ice cream or something like that. Nice little treat. So I'm really excited about those. I think these were $9, so about $3 a piece, which I'm a cheapskate. I don't feel like that's an amazing deal. But you know, it's okay. So anyway, that's it for my FabFitFun box opening. If you have any questions, let me know, or you can just go to their website, fabfitfun.com. So anyway, thank you for joining me, and I guess I'll see y'all later. Have a great day. Bye.